Okay, so these are the slides. Can you see this? So we did it before this. So let me counters. We did it.
I don't remember this part.
No. Counters. What were counters? Which we did it. Which before this. This
Yeah.
is counters. And one more thing, rows and columns. You remember?
Yep.
So what are rows? Can you tell me?
I know what rows and columns are, but I forgot. Oh yeah, rows left and right, and the columns are their height. Yeah, that's what it says. Oh, I remember. So rows are.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Hello.
No.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, Akshita. What were these rows?
Rows are something that are side by side, and columns are the more height.
Okay, can you see my screen? It's written array over there.
Yeah.
You can read it. An array. Read with me. An array.
An array is a group of objects organized into rows and columns. Each row has the same number of objects.
Very good. Very good. So now let's see what are rows and what are columns. When we move from left to right, that are known as rows. And when we move from up to down, that is known as columns. Okay. So you can see we are moving from left to right. So how many rows are there?
2.
And how many columns are there?
3.
You can take the example of chocolate. Okay. You can see a chocolate. There are bricks. It is divided into small bricks type. Have you seen that?
Yeah. I just ate Kit Kat.
Yeah, Kit Kat. Yeah. Can you see this?
Yeah.
So this is divided into number of rows and number of columns. Okay. So can you tell me how many rows are there in the first one? This upper one.
The upper one.
Sorry.
7.
If you are going like it is over like this. If you are going like in this direction, then there are 4 rows. And if you are going this, so that is
columns.
7. So 7 columns, right? Okay. Now rows and columns are clear. So let's move. So now comes, this is just a brief revision of it, how we used to multiply when rows and columns are there. So what you are going to do, there is, if I give you to add this all counters, you know what are these smalls are? Counters. You remember?
Yes.
Okay. When I give you this counters, so you will say that how many, so there are so many counters. How can I count each and every counter? So there is a trick we do. What trick we do? We do multiplication. Okay. So before moving on to the multiplication, first we look, first we add them all. So first you add them 1, 2, 3. How many are there?
14.
So I should write here 14 like this. Okay. Now it is so lengthy method ki how can I discount each and every? So I do a trick to count this. What I do? I find number of rows and number of columns and multiply them. Okay. So 2 times 7 gives you
3 times 7 gives you 14.
That is 2 times 7 also gives you 14. Okay. Okay. So this is a table of 2 also. This I will be explaining you in our next classes when we after 3-4 classes. Okay. There is a multiplication tables are also there. Have you heard this about that? Multiplication tables. Multiplication tables. Have you heard?
No.
Oh, okay. After 2-3 classes, I will be explaining you, right?
Right.
Okay then. So that is multiplication. That is 2 multiplied by 7 gives you same number 14. Got it?
Got it.
Okay. Okay then. Now next, let's move to the next one. That is this we did. You can hello. Yeah, you can go through it quickly. Done. How many rows are there?
3,
And how many columns are there?
5.
So you can say that when I add all counters, it will add up to the 5 are there, 5 there, 15. And but this is a very lengthy method, so I should multiply. So what I should do? I find the number of rows and number of columns. Multiply them, you will get 15. Okay?
Okay.
Okay then. Can you do tell me this example? How many rows are there?
There are 4 rows.
Very good. And how many columns are there?
Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 columns.
9. So what should I do? What should I write over here? Tell me.
9
9
plus 9.
9
9 plus 9.
9. Okay. And they sum up to?
Wait. 9. Wait. 10. I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, I tell you. See, 9 plus 9. You know addition?
I know addition, but I just don't know what 4 9s can add to.
No, I'm telling you how to add it. I'm telling you. Can you see my fingers? This is 9. Can you see me?
I can't see you because I'm on the big screen.
Oh,
I
okay.
see the little red dot.
Okay. You take 9 of your fingers. Okay, 9 of your fingers and start just this. After 9, count 9 more. 10, 11. Just this. Can you do this? Just have a look. Look at me. I want to show you how we count it.
Okay.
Tell me if you can see me.
Can
you see me?
No, I need a down big screen. One sec.
Now
no, I can't see you. Wait, now I can.
You can see me now?
Yeah, I can see now.
Yeah. So these are 9. Can you see this? 9 of my fingers.
Yeah.
Okay. So what I do? See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got it? Now what I do? I have to add 9 more to it. So what I do? Take 9 fingers again and start 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Got it?
Got it.
So that means 9. I added 9 2 times. Now one more 9. Take 9 again and start from 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Got it?
Got it.
So that means one more 9 is left. So this 9 I have taken. Okay. Now one more 9 is left to add. Got it? Now again take 9. So we stopped at 27.
What?
We stopped at 27 now. 9 plus 9 plus 9, 3 gives you 27.
Yeah.
Okay. Now after 27, my one more 9 is left to add. So what I do? 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So my answer should be 36. Okay.
Okay. One sec.
Now Akshita, you do it yourself. Take 9 of your fingers. Start. 1. Start counting with me. I have to take 9 4 times. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Start counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Okay. Now again add 9 more to it.
Wait.
10. Right. Start with me. When shall we start?
Okay. I got my 9 fingers.
9. You got 9 now? Now again take 9. 10.
No, I got my 9 fingers for the first one.
You have to count 9 4 times. One time we have completed. Now 3 more times are left. Start with me. 10,
10,
11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
16,
16,
17.
17.
Now that's 18. Okay. Now 2 9 I have taken. Now again third 9 take. Start from 18. 19,
19,
20,
20,
21,
21,
22,
22,
23,
23,
24,
24,
25,
25,
26,
26,
27.
27.
Now 3 9s I have taken. Okay, now one more 9 left. 28,
28,
29,
29,
30,
30,
31,
31,
32,
32,
33,
33,
34,
34,
35.
35.
Last is 36. Okay.
Okay.
So my answer.
1 second. I'm back. I had to get something.
Got it? What we did this? How we got 36? Got it?
Got it.
Okay, so I should write 9 over here and my answer is 36. Now this is so lengthy method. So what shortcut I do? Take number of rows and number of columns and write it. What should I write over here?
9.
Very good. First, always write rows. How many rows are there?
Rows 4.
And how many columns are there?
9.
So same answer you will get 36. Got it?
Got it.
Now it's clear?
Clear.
Okay, Akshita, one more thing I want to tell you. Whenever you have to draw the array and this is given to you, the first is always the rows and second is always the columns. Got it?
Got it.
always. Okay. Now I give you the access to write. You can draw this array. You you draw the third. Yeah, you draw the third one. I show you how to draw the for the second one. Okay. Then you draw. Okay. Now see. Okay. Now I have to draw an array to multiply. So my rows are 9 and my columns are 2. So what should I do? 1. My rows are 9. 2, 3, 4. There is a short of space. I should write over here. Draw here. So my rows are 9. So here it comes out to be 9 and here it comes out to be 2. Got it?
Got it.
So how I'm going to draw, mark it? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. And 9 one more here. Got it? Like this. Okay. Now 9 rows I have marked and the columns are 2. So that is 1, 2,
4.
so can you see this is the array?
Yeah, I can see all the dots.
So my rows are 9 and my columns are 2. So have I drawn the correct array? Now Akshita is going to correct me. Akshita, tell me, is it right or wrong?
It's right.
Okay, now same way Akshita is going to do for the third one. Okay, Akshita?
Wait, am I supposed to do 4 or 5 times?
That is rows. Yeah, 4, 5 times is, yeah, you have to do it. So that is rows.
Okay.
Okay, you do it. Let's.
Wait, I'm gonna pick my favorite. Well, one of my favorite colors.
Oh yeah, take your favorite color. What's your favorite color?
Black.
White and black. I remember.
No, and
Yes,
now it's only black. It's only black now.
oh, it's only black. Black is there? Yeah, black is there. Take the black color.
Right,
Yes, yes.
1,
Good.
2,
2, 3, 4. Very good. And no. Rows are 4 only. Erase it. Can you this fourth 3?
2.
Very good. Yeah. And no. You are going the wrong way. See, these are rows. So that means rows are 4 and columns are 5. Yes, right?
4.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Excellent. No. They are 4 only. You marked for 5. Very good. Excellent. So you got to know what are array now? Shall we move? Or you want to do more practice?
I move.
Sorry.
Back. 1 sec.
Sorry, what you're saying?
I'll be back. 1 sec.
Okay. Okay. So now we move on to the new topic.
Okay. Multiplication, education, number.
Yeah. Okay. So there is a one property that is known as commutative. Okay. Now what that commutative means, you have any idea what that means?
No.
You're doing something? There is so lot of noise.
Yeah, I'm trying to open something.
Oh, what you are opening?
A Kit Kat package.
Oh wow, you like Kit Kat.
Yeah. And it's got opening.
So that means you love Kit Kat.
We got 2 packets. And we already finished 1 packet, so.
Okay. Shall we start?
Yeah. I'm listening while I'm opening this Kit Kat.
Okay. Shall we start now?
Yeah.
Okay then. So there is what I was saying, that there is a one property that is known as commutative, right?
Right.
So what that commutative means, whenever you multiply two numbers, okay?
Okay.
So if I say that 3 multiplied by 2, so you will say the answer is 6. Okay? Okay. And if I say 3 multiplied by 2, answer is 6. Or if I say 2 multiplied by 3, the answer again is 6.
Okay.
Okay. So let's start with that. And there is one term called as factors and product. Okay. So can you see this in a multiplication equation? Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So what it is saying, that in a multiplication, it's talking about the multiplication, the numbers that are multiplied are called factors. Okay. Like, can you see that 3 times 5, 3 into 5 gives you 15. Okay. Take the example of it. So 3 and 5 both are factors. Both are,
Factors.
and the answer which you will get is known as product. Okay. First understand these two terms. These are very important. You can read it in a multiplication equation. Read it in in a multiplication equation. Read it.
2 times 4 equals 8.
No. First, read this theory written over on the top. First, read
In
it.
the multiplication equation, the numbers that are called multiplied are factors. The answer is called product.
Wait. First, understand this. What are factors and product? So the example given in front of is 3 times 5. 3 into 5. Okay.
Okay.
So answer is 15, right? So what are 3 and 5? They are known as factors. Okay. Whenever you multiply two numbers, that are known as factors, and the answer which you will get is known as product.
Okay.
Okay, got it?
Got it.
So if I multiply 5 times 2. So what are 5 times 5 and 2?
What?
If I multiply 5 into 2, 5 into times 2. So they are both known as factors. Got it?
Got it.
And the answer is known as product. This thing clear?
Uh-huh.
Should I raise it?
No.
You want me to write again? Yeah, it's written over here.
Yeah, I can see that. I can see
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, so this factors and product term, this what that factors and product means, this is clear. Shall we move further?
Yep.
Okay, now comes commutative property. Spell it. Commutative property. Commutative property of multiplication. Read it. Commutative.
What?
Read it. Commutative. Yes. Commutative. Read it 2 times more. Commutative.
What?
Read it 2 times more with me. Commutative.
Commutative.
Yes, good, very good. A clap for you. So that is commutative property of multiplication. Now what that means? Read it. Changing the order of factors does not change the product. What that means? What that means?
My mom to open my Kit Kat. It's just too stubborn.
Sorry?
I'm gonna ask my mom to open my Kit Kat. It's too stubborn. Oh.
Shall we move?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So what that commutative means? So if you are given 3 times 5, so if you change the order and make it 5 times 3, so same answer you are going to get. So this is known as commutative.
Okay.
Okay. Changing the order. Now 5, what I did, I changed the 5 to this place and 3 to that place. So my answer remains as it is. Got it? Are you sure? Now I show you how this works. Can you see the counters written over there in the example?
Mm-hmm.
So in the first one, how many rows are there?
Mm-hmm.
How many rows are there?
2 rows.
And how many columns are there?
4.
So we write it as 2 rows of 4. We write it as 2 rows of 4. Okay. Now you multiply 2 times 4. That is 2 times 4. So answer you will get as 8. Can you see 8 counters are there?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see this? Now, if I change the order and make it 4 times 2. So again, can you see this? Can you see this? Other counters, can you see how many rows are there?
4.
And how many columns are there?
2.
And can you see that same number of counters are there? Answer comes out to be 8.
Okay.
Okay. So that means if I take 2 times 4 equals to 4 times 2. Both are equal.
Mm-hmm.
Got it? Got
Got
it? Now you got it. What is factors, what are products, and what is commutative property?
Yep.
So any problem in it?
No, just a little hard.
Yeah, it's a bit hard, but you will get it. It's basically it's related to that you are changing the positions of the counters. Rows are becoming columns and columns are becoming rows. That's it. Answer remains the same. This you have to remember. Okay?
Okay.
Can you see this above part? 3 times 5. So 5 rows are becoming 5 and columns are becoming 3. Only we are changing the order. Got it?
Got it.
Okay. So we are moving further. It's a bit tricky, but you can do it.
Okay.
Now you are going to tell me, Akshita, how many rows are there in the first one? This one. Count it.
The first one in rows.
That is, what should I write over here?
5 rows of 2.
Very good. So that means, count how many counters are there?
Counters.
How many counters are there? Count it.
10.
Very good. So my answer comes out to be 10. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what I do now, I change my columns to rows and rows to column. Can you see that? My rows, these are 5 and these are 2. So I am changing my rows as 2 and my columns as 5. Can you see this?
Mm-hmm.
So how many rows are there?
How many rows?
Of
You're changing down, so 5 rows of 2.
So if I multiply both, so can you see how many counters are there?
Yep.
Count it.
Count it.
So what's the answer I should write over here?
10.
Very good. So can you see that both the answers are same?
Mm-hmm.
So I should write 5 times 2. This and this are both equal. Either way I can write. So 5 times 2 or 2 times 5 both give you the same answer.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Got it? Got it?
Got it.
Okay. Now one more thing. Now this is a array. Now you tell me how to make it, or you make it. So how many rows are there? First tell me.
2.
And how many columns are there?
3.
So I should write, what should I write? 2
3.
times 3. Answer is
6.
now. If I say use the commutative property, so what should you do? You change the positions. So here 2 becomes 3 and
2. 6.
2. No, let's see, that answer comes out to be 6. So first you draw it. So rows are 3 and columns are 2, right? So you have to draw it. You have to draw it. So what should I do? I draw 3 rows and 2 columns. So can you count the counters? 1.
Okay.
Count it. 1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4, 5, 6.
6. Same answer I'm getting. So I can write it 2 times 3 equals, now Akshita, equals, no. 2 times 3 equals
6.
3 times 2. This is also equal to 6. This is also equal to 6. So both are equal. Got it?
Got it.
Either way we can do. We can take 3 times 2 or 2 times 3. Got it?
Got it.
Now you are getting, Akshita?
Yep.
Now it's becoming more clear.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Akshita. Now this you have to tell me how many rows are there? How many rows are there?
There are 1 row.
And how many columns are there? So I should write 1 times
4
And what my answer should be? See how many counters are there?
4.
4. Now what should I do? I have to apply the commutative property. So my position gets changed. My 1 becomes 4 and 4 becomes 1. Got it?
Got it.
Wait, don't write the answer. First, we should draw it and see how many counters we got. So my rows are 4 and my columns are 1. Got it? So what should I do? 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? And my column is 1. Now you can count the counters.
4.
How many counters? So my answer will be 4. So can you see that this is also equal to 4 and this is also equal to 4. So that means 1 times 4 equals to 4 times 1.
Mm.
This is other thing and this, they both are equal.
Oh.
Got it?
Got it.
Now Akshita, you do it. Next one.
Okay.
Is it interesting?
Uh-huh.
Akshita, your school has started.
Mm-hmm.
So what they are teaching you?
They're teaching me not math yet. They're teaching me adding up and all that, tens block.
Okay, adding, so you know that.
Yeah, and you're teaching me tens blocks and ones
Yes.
block.
Okay. Any problem in that you are facing?
Nope.
All clear?
Yep.
If you face any problem, do let me know.
Okay.
Okay.
And there's 2 rows, 6 columns.
Write it in the multiplication one.
Mm-hmm.
2 times 6. Write it.
Wait. Oh, God, that's big. 1 second. There we go. So.
2 times
6.
This is not 6. Very good. Now, how many counters are there? Count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
12.
Very good. Write down the answer. Now, what you have to do, Akshita, change the position.
It's down.
2 will become
What?
6. What will
Now
you have?
6, and then 6 will come 2.
Very good. Write it down. 2 becomes 6 and 6 becomes 2. Now, no. Don't write answer. First, mark it. Mark the counters. Draw the counters.
Okay. 1. Wait.
Always write it like this. This is 6 and this is 2.
So.
Now you can mark the counters. Yes.
2.
No. First, mark 1 counter. No. This is not correct. Yeah, it is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here one missing. 1 missing. Yeah. Okay. So now you can see. Now you can count them up.
1,
How many
2,
counters?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So you can now write answer as 12. So
Okay.
that means 2 times 6.
Wait. Wait. And a 1 here.
2. Now write 2 times 6. From here it will come 2 times 6.
Okay. 2
times 6 is equals to here from here times 2. Very good. Now you got it, Akshita?
Yeah.
Wow, very nice. Now see how many counters are there?
4. I mean,
Oh, sorry.
count
How many rows are there? Yes. And how many
4,
columns are there?
5.
Write down 4 times 5. No. Yeah, right. 4 times 5.
That's
Now
too bad.
count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count how many counters are there?
1, 2, so 5, 4 times.
No. Yeah, 4 times count all the counters.
5, 5, 10, 5, 5, 20.
Write down 20. Okay, very good. Now what you have to do, you have to change the order.
Already
First,
doing
change the
it.
order. Very good. Very good. So 5 times 4. You have to mark it.
There.
Now mark how many rows? 5.
Okay. 5 and 4. I already marked it.
Yeah. Yeah. Mark 5 rows.
Okay. 5 and wait, do I have to write the row?
Yes. Now you mark it like this. Like this. 1,
Oh, I thought I
2.
had to just write the letter row.
Yeah, you have to write. Okay. Right. Mark 4. This. Should I erase it? Wait. I am erasing it. Now you can mark it.
Okay. 1, 2, 4.
Very good. One
5.
more. 5. And columns are 4. Very good. Go. One more. Yes. Then third row, third column.
Third column?
Yes,
Huh?
there are four columns, na? Akshita?
Yeah, there are 4 yeah, there are 4 columns.
You have marked 2 columns, 2 more columns. Very good. Then one more. Now count how many counters
1,
are
2,
there?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 20.
So you should write 5. Write down 5 over here. Very good. Very good.
5's wrong. Wait. 5
Times 4. Very good. Same answer you will get. 20. That means 4 times 5. Write down.
I already got this.
4 times 5 is equals to 5 times 4. That means whatever order you take, when rows become columns and column become rows, answer remains the same. Now got it, Akshita?
Got it.